In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a voice in ElevenLabs. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to confirm the deletion so it's done cleanly and confidently. Start by opening your web browser and searching for ElevenLabs. Click through to the official site so you're on the home page of the platform. From there, look for the login button and select it. Sign in using your account credentials, then proceed by clicking Login again to access your dashboard. If you're on a smaller screen, you may need to open the main menu first to see the navigation options. Once you're in, locate the section labeled Voices. This is the central place where you manage the voice models associated with your account. Click on Voices to enter that area. Inside, look for My Voices. This view is specifically for the voices you've created, cloned, or added to your own workspace, making it the right place to make changes to your personal collection. Go ahead and click My Voices to bring up your list. Now find the specific voice you want to remove. Take a moment to double check you've selected the right one. Verify the name and any identifying details so you don't accidentally delete the wrong voice. If you're uncertain, it can help to quickly preview the voice or review how you've labeled it to make sure it's the correct choice. Next to the voice, you'll see a small menu icon, typically shown as 3 dots. Click that icon to reveal the available actions for this voice. In the menu that appears, choose Delete Voice. At this point, the platform usually shows a confirmation prompt. This is designed to prevent accidental deletions and to make sure you're fully certain about the change. To complete the process, confirm by clicking Delete Voice again on the prompt. Be aware that deleting a voice is generally permanent and cannot be undone. If the voice is referenced in any ongoing projects, plan accordingly so you don't disrupt your workflow. After you confirm, the voice will be removed from your My Voices list. That's the full process. If you don't see the Voices or My Voices options, try refreshing the page, making sure you're logged into the correct account, or expanding the navigation menu. Interface labels can change slightly over time, but the flow remains the same. Sign in, go to Voices, open My Voices, choose the voice, open the 3-dot menu, delete, and confirm. Thanks for watching, and great job streamlining your voice library in ElevenLabs.